Y'all, this one has to be my favorite so far. It's the Sensational Butta Lace 90s Bang Wig. When I tell you I'm in love with this wig, go ahead and stay tuned so you can see how I installed it. Say that you miss me, just come get me. Hey y'all, welcome back to the motherfucking channel. My name is Genovia Real, and if you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for coming back to watch my shit. So, we're doing a wig today. We're putting on a bundt cake. They got buy one get one free right now. We're putting on Sensational Butta Lace 90s Bang Wig in the unit 911. Someone please call 911. So we're going to go ahead and put this on today because why not? Does it have different colors? This, it comes in an apple red. Okay, so this wig comes, I have it in a 1B. This wig comes in a 1B, 2 apple red, ash, peach blonde, dirty blonde, copper, ginger copper, and sunflower blonde. I'm going to have to look at the rest of these colors because they sound so pretty. Anyway, so yeah, we're going to go ahead and try to put this on today. I think it might be a fast install. I already like the texture. Oh, never mind. Apple red is giving sexy red. But those are the colors right there. All right. Of course, as requested from the people, we are doing a talk through. Yeah, here's the wig. It's already giving a very pretty curl, baby. Adjustable straps in the back, an adjustable wig strap in the back, 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back, and here's the lace. We're gonna go ahead and see if we can we're gonna put it on and see what it's looking for, but we're probably gonna see if we can kind of tint this. Let me get my scissors so I can cut this part off. I will be back. Someone please call 911. Big head friendly. Baby, we're not gonna be able to do much to it because the girl, it's already motherfucking hitting. It's already hitting, you guys. It's all. This is gonna be a short video, y'all. Now, okay, so looking at the lace, we are gonna have to pluck it because it's giving box. It's giving boxed out, and my hairline, my real hairline, is not boxed out. However, It's giving bombshell. All right, off the bat, y'all get this wig. Video over. No, I'm just kidding. But no, let me pluck the front really quick.
When a real one hold you down, babe, you supposed to drink. You ain't never fuck with no boss bitch. I turned you out. You won't catch me in no sharp boots. I burnt them out. Bitch, you gotta wait till their birthday to go out of town.
Okay, y'all. So it looks better. But I mean, to be quite honest, you're not gonna be really seeing it because it's gonna be like this, you know. So with that being said, it still should be a fast install. I'm gonna spray it down just a little. We're gonna do our lace tint from Eben. We're gonna spray. Should I spray? Does it look, so on the camera, it looks like my skin, but in person, it looks a little ashy. So yeah, we're just gonna do a little spray. This is where it looks like. It's literally a T-part wig. Y'all know I like T-parts. I like T-part wigs. They're easy. They're easy peasy lemon squeezy. Just a little bit. A little bit of this. Get it cracking in the club just a little bit. Did y'all watch the BET Awards? They came on yesterday, I think, Monday. Y'all should be getting this video tomorrow, Wednesday, but it might not happen. It might not happen. But Yeah, I did not watch it. Like, I honestly forgot. I don't know why I thought the BET Awards was on the weekend, but no, that's BET weekend. So, I'm tripping. So, yeah, it came on Monday. This spray smells like somebody's grandma perfume. Okay. It has that orange tint to it that I hate, but it'll calm down. I wonder if we'll be able to make this, probably not, make it a glueless wig. It says glueless on here, but we'll see. I have to go upstairs to get this. Jesus. Bitch tired. Sometimes with these little pieces that I miss and I can't grip it because my nails, I take some tweezers and I pull it down and then I'm able to get in there and get it off. So here we have this. I feel like I need to hit it with the flat, the hot comb. I'm thinking I'm gonna take pictures in it like this long. I'm gonna pan down this long, but to be honest, I'm not going to keep it this long. I'll probably cut it about here. Like, we cut a couple inches off because it's hot out here and this is synthetic. It's gonna tangle, so we're not gonna do all of that. But anyway, let me pin this back again because the little hairs are getting in my eyes. We're going to hit it with the hot comb. Fix the part a little because I feel like it's a little crooked. The cap is really big. It goes over my ears. I think what I want to do next is a bob. Like, I had a really good bob. I had to throw it out because I thought I was going to get a new one and it never did. But I had a really good bob that I had back in 2021, at the beginning of 2021. I loved it, that bob. And then I had another bob. I had a blonde bob that I think I got rid of because I can't find it. Oh! So, yeah, I feel like it's bob season. You feel me? Like, I kind of want a bob. Baby, it's the bob for me. It's the bob for me. Okay, that looks good. Lace looks good. It's not too crazy. Hair is pushed down. Curl pattern is great. Hold on, where's my bang now? Okay, let's put on a little bit of makeup. We're gonna turn this off. We'll put on a little bit of makeup so we can take pictures. Of course, might as well. I got the hair on. That's the. You just gotta throw on a dress, to be quite honest. And I got a pimple right here. Ugh. All right, let me throw this wig on, or throw this makeup on. Okay. Oh, what lip should I do? I think I'm gonna do a nude lip. I'm gonna do like a brown, cause I look real dead right now. Look real dry. Okay, that took a long ass time. But let's go ahead and take the band off. Oh, come on. Scratch it a little. Scratch it just a little. We're not doing no baby hairs. Okay, this gonna be cute once I wear it up. This gonna be real. Hold on. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. I don't want to lose control because I think I like it. Oh, bitch. I heard you been looking for me, bitch. Here I go. Oh. And this wig, okay, I just can't have it go back like this because I can't have it go back like this. You're going to see all the things. I am not a pro installer when it comes to stuff like this, but when I tell you, I need to start. No, I think I have a clip in my purse. But I'm going to have to bring my clip when I wear this wig. However, this is the down. This is what it looks like when it's down. It definitely has a bang. It's already layered. it is tangly. It's getting tangly, and we only had it in for 2.5 motherfucking seconds. But, girl, oh, okay. See, this is why. Because the way I was feeling earlier, I was like, ugh, yuck, bitches, yuck. But no, you can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. I heard you been looking for me, bitch. Here I go. But anyway, let me go ahead and go. Thank you guys for watching. Again, this wig is the 90s bang wig, but it's giving 2000 and hold on. It's giving 2000 and I was gonna say 2016. 2025 a bombshell. Okay, wait, hold on, because we gotta show you what the length is looking like. I am 5'11", okay? So this is what it's looking like from the back. It touches the top of my butt. Okay, that's what it's giving. All right. Oh, hold on. We're supposed to see what it looks like when it's pinned up. Hold on, y'all. Because it's definitely gonna be pinned up this summer. Shoot. I love synthetic wigs. You can't tell me. You cannot tell me that you're not fucking with synthetic. Y'all. So this is what it looks like with the shorter piece and then the longer piece. Whoa, I had a dream I could buy. You can't tell me shit in this wig. Oh. Okay. Let me go. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good night.
Birthday to go out of town, broken. Yeah, I talk a lot of shit.